is the circulatory system. And so here we go, the circulatory system. Now, here's where we're making a jump. We're making a jump because up till now we've been talking about sort of specific cells. And we went and looked at some cells under the microscope and things like that. Today we're going to start looking at one of the systems in our body. So if you recall, we said that we can have some kind of stem cell. Now we're doing this thing, aren't we?
Are you okay? You seem tired.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not tired at all. It's a weird day because I've got a lab going on in the back and that stresses me out to not be back there with them. And then I've got some stuff to get done for prom, but no, I'm good. So we could have like a stem cell here. Oh, sure. And it'll undergo mitosis in the way that we understand, right? And that can give us daughter cells, right? That look like this. And then these can specialize. And this is an oversimplification, but maybe this one ends up as, I don't know, a red blood cell. And I'm going to show it's a red blood cell by coloring it red. Yeah. I'm going to color inside the lines real good too. Okay. So that, for example, could become a blood cell. Who knows? And then maybe this one ends up specializing into a muscle cell. I don't know. It's a little mitochondria because they're the little powerhouses of the cell. This one could specialize into a muscle cell. Now, this is an oversimplification, all right? You don't actually have, a stem cell that's one of its two daughter cells will become a blood cell and another of its two daughter cells will become a muscle cell. That's way too simplistic. Your body's more complicated than that. But it gives you the basic idea, which is that in the human body, different cells form from the same stem cells. They specialize. They develop specific characteristics. And they take on their own shapes. A muscle cell's job is to be able to contract when electricity is applied to it. On the other hand, a blood cell's job is we'll talk about that today. So now, a group of muscle cells will form muscle tissue. Muscle is one of those words that never looks right to me when you write it out. Does anyone else find that? It just never looks right. A group of nerve cells will form nerve tissues. And we can say etc. So in your body, no single cell can really do a very important job on its own. Jobs are just too complex. So inside your body, we rely on cells to work together. And they work together in groups, and we call those groups of cells working together tissues.